same way koso nyina no menye ento manum tuo nkan bi da oman ni mfum tuo ti yesi ma oman no ho ahia sem ehia ho anopa awia ne anwumre ni nyina fa oti democrat mu nsem miracles aboaje spokesperson for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia campaign and they were declaring intentions so be call for National Communications Director for the MPP. Na ni arresta e course wa ye chi no over interministerial committee na ono secretary for that committee for decentralization won sensem pinu aba ayoku wono mo picking it up omo arresting no na won sem no aba bebre bezo oba Facebook na ebra iyoku fuoche no na chire nra ye nyante ye se omo ne no eko ni fie eko hwe ba bia ne dan wo na wonom ko hwe no ma pii e wo nti bra Facebook bra yokufo wonom ede no eko no wo de no eko no ho ensem nini bra Facebook na be hwe ade what happened actually over there na once watch me appreciating koma ye be di na anopai
Nhyira fan.
All right, into Uber Facebook videos ni bi ewo ho betumi appreciate de ekoso ewo ho and ajefu bra enkofo no eba begu ho bebre nti hu kuka any other people are on begu ho bebre we crunchy anti friend is saying abante no dey crunchy right Coca Coca na yetu nti mempese we Coca different enye the upper Ashanti region that's what I want to make the clarity na omu nyina ewo ho womu protest say yoku achi miracles aboaje na abusia oba Facebook na obehwe crowd ekọ ho it wasn't only yesterday but the bra omote say ya pick miracles aboaje na no edomo a ekogu yoku no enya asem ketwa office was say womunya no enya asem ketwa ba adia we nyina ekoso no eba michimu ni se oman no ankasa yemisa ye ho se de pa na ye pe. Let's ask ourselves as a country say de pa na ye pe as a people me de bia me ka se ketasese predream kankan ho according to Shraj ne other reports abeba bebre kire say even recently the deputy finance minister amiye hu say corruption amiye lusu sikanya asem ketwa and of course omani lusu over 3 billion every year annually we lose 3 billion sika ebetimi asiesie omani ye lusu in fact IMF frasen ye koje ye so we lose a lot of money through corruption. Edimi issues of corruption arise here. Sensem wa yesi wo we hu bom mu ayeketa separate dream kankan ayana me pese ye betumi follow the issue to the latter. Ye be die kira kosi ase. But ekoba ne se ase wo man no yenim de ye hyedape. Yenim de ye hyedape. Se obi adisika anase ye kaso obi adisika. Me ye kye no a enye bone me huni se hadwene se obi yese wadi sika na waye dwumadie bia ye beche no so wo meyi ne ho ano many problem with that. The only problem I had with say that Rambo style arrest and no maka ho nsem bebre e wa ha the way almost conduct arrest no ba se ye chi obi ne de enye problem say ye chi obi se bra ne beyi ho ano no enye problem sabe obi fa bode or fa ponchi owia obi aponchi via obi bode a ye che no first of all it matters of corruption say yesusu say obi awia bibi na institution ekoche no na we enforce laws say no ma be ya adwuma I don't actually fault them. Etwa se emra ti bi ye adwuma etwa se institutions ye adwuma utie Barack Obama asem kan na o se country a ko nanim bebre no ya na eye institute a tribal institutions a ejina ne nan so brane And to see institutions in year, that is where we fail. Jeff for miracles to mami. That is where we fail. And to see a makwine Emma institutions no eye juma. Say ya chini pano no ye innocent at the end of the day. Emra no bachelor. But say ya kochi will be within bare few hours. Less than even 6 hours. Na crowd puliko. Yasi ya chi will be 48 hours. Esi ya dine kokota na ye money bill. But less than 24 hours ni enya crowda egu iyoka kache se ye nyi pakro. Ye nya pakro. I've already say ebi akwanya wo mo fast Rambo style arrest no enye papa de eno I disagree and I've always talked about it. Say wo kwachi obi na bi. But wo betimi ache no. Echie no de se nipa ne yesusu so ye bibia ne chie no de mra makwan so mutimi che no. And nothing is wrong with that. But see a bet you will be say why put na public office the or mine sika ye bibi na yesusu se sika no afa baby a anko ye na ye bet no na obenya nkrofo a enru even 48 hours less than 24 hours a ye che no na nkrofo akogu se munya no no e de ne epe asoman because omuchire said the arrest is just to say ebebua investigations are ekoso no. And then you no nko na yache no. Enyo no nko a na wo mo ache no wo man mu say obi a yesusu say no ma bi anko ye wo bra okodi dwuma bi e wo aban mu a yache no enyo no nko anya miracles nko na yache no. So what is the problem here? Just months ago yente kromu a na de wom say said the nam tamakro yemfa ne mre ni nyina na ye issues of corruption di ntina na ye de say yemfa ne mra metum. Obedru ye kura no na manfo pese ye hu se handcuff gu ne nsa ye de ne ko prison meboa nyemu a Ghana fo ya ne ye ka say ese omu ye hu se de nam tamakro say ye de ayi agu ne nsa a ye de ne ko prison. We want to see because one day kura the court wabu an say we disika no nti ye say ye de ne tum ye pay justice, but we can't have selective justice. Adenti na obi de ese ye che no na obi de ni si ye che no. Not less than 24 hours we have people yamasi out there na just say akoye bibie ho. No Ghanaian is above the law. No Ghanaian is above the law. And I've stated say si a person o mai etu ntono o mai ko nanimu a yenyan institutions ni nya o madwuma yie. This is what we have done. The politics at interfere in institutions because and then Yabeka so why MPP in India. It is an MPP so was no so kwachi NDC for mo so say wo mu lose elections no mo kwachiri na say MPP ababan no so kwachi obi a sa na NDC for so be sorry no mo so be gina na wo ya NDC ni ntin ye ni say yanyi politics and free accountability mu a me say wo man ye ntimi nkoye ni mu otom. When it comes to accountability, the party colors should not be part of it. The big question is that that is what we must be asking. Any party, any penny free. If we want to develop as a country, the same people now, and mabuna ya boa womanwa, a biako jina per videos, everybody, a beach say, ya show mo bossy, a bemo muska, ya bemo mediania, is yamasu omo omoko gugono. Sa youth na kuguono. The same people as Sika, I would say, no correct, no curious, say, no cressampa, says Sikana, a messini, a GCS Sikanwa. Ebebwa wo mo na ebi betumi abi enyuma ama wo mo no saa mabuni ya so ene defend no ma bia e tren kosi po enso no mu defend edi akura na ya na yadwene bibia ye se o akoya witch hand akoya wei adani ye manin kosi po no ye hu se no kura be na wo saa asem wei mu but rather ye man institutions ni nya adwuma ye prevent wo mo. Why is miracles abwaje above the law in any way? The same way na me ochinabi if say omususu say oh sami jamfi whatever omo ma di djuma wa ban mu ye fi say oh ebia no ma bia nko ye wo institution ya no oda no we ya anyi na ye eche no na ye invite no the mra no ma ho kwai say eche no dia. What's the problem? yenya institutions ni nya omadwuma as required. Enya sa oman ye ntumpon. Ya the politics aye bibia oman no yesai. We don't love this country enough. Amaya would why you feel so you're talking about US, you are talking about UK, no money. Other Amaya, yes, woman tumpon, ne ka China, say China etumpono. Sa Amaya to say China no. Do you know what they do? Corrupt officials no almost sentence you to death. You poor. Now will be a 300 million bribe. China, yes, see in Kukuno. But how we bet me the 1 billion? Yanyanere. And in the money and the politics, na enya na baintia, enya ni saintia. Now pursue my develop here. We need to investigate matters to the latter. Munyama investigations no koso. This is a problem the country have had several years. The Fourth Republic since 1992. The democracy accountability is not witch hunting. And arrest in your conviction. So why say be within 24 hours justice must not depend on party affiliation. So I am this is who I am people no, and no yet the matter in here. We must look beyond that and think about Ghana. Sadia na ye no. Emma oman empuntu nkoso. Na wunya koka. Jeff aneto so mami koka. Osai crunchy esiedu kuka na matesi ya che no kra o che no police fo ache no iyoko fo se oni o makache e je se police fo no ache no na mpese oba Facebook behwe ade a na eye kuka o ye no ho a enam so a dudu no mo de peke no ho no mo da behwe kuka de na o ye no ho kuka and car eba o se menim de o pa kire e wo ho na prosifo ne kasakura wo hugya wo mo ne ade. I just want you to come and see in politics wo hodie but no maybe wo ho a let's allow our institutions to work. So we na ne hu so a hanan mo de enye na ekoso yi ayi obaya na wo ayi national service gifty ono so de ekoso a lot enkofu bebre wo ho a they were arrested. So what is the news here? E de na ye news wo wem tieno Behe koka na ebo car mu no obi car bonnet ne pam car na the police ni no stop no kra o jai ya dabi wonte ase kra behe koka nti wuti se bia ya che no na we ya some of the scenes are e course no bi ni
Nhyira FM.
That's what I'm telling you. I'm not doing this. No. You are talking to the guy.
Nhyira FM.
Really? Look at what you are doing.
Brabe hwe koka hwe de wo ye no police ni kakra no chese hwe ni bi o de hwe this police officer I think so obey ASP and I say even SP superintendent onye prosini like junior officer Jeff post na yi na ne rank no by police penny koka shout no ho nyasem keto abra Facebook be hade
Nhyira FM. Nhyira FM.
That's what I'm telling you. I'm not doing this.
Maka say what is wrong can never be right. An officer bubo car bonnet muni ade na police penny say gina wo ka che say no ye a che say huja police penny no ne ade a eno ma bi wo ho a wo ye na wo anka say land wo in a problem that's your own eno na manyo say mam e meye politics e ye wo a wo su ne oban ne de wo ye e na de wo alande ba bi a wo ye no. And now whether say car don't say you say police na wo huja no ye yi no e de tiam no say de say ya chew. Oh, no maybe wo ha ye nhwe ne ye asoman and who can ye be no party colors ni abeke can simple but esi e can operate penny. Let's allow the institutions to work. But makawa ha say Yoko any other state institutions no arrest ni de emrade ma mo ho kwan obi ye bibia ene emrade ma mo ho kwan se mutimi kire na mo ye mo investigations. But at the end of the day e kwan a mo fa so chi nkrofo no nsu bi no that bad because in opposition Fabra in opposition no na NDC e complaining Jeff ma menka sem cheon in opposition no na NDC e complaining say Ekufuado ne na ban e use Rambo style e dey arrest omo nkrofo then in opposition and it was a problem for the NDC. So sir Rambo style arrest no e kosu say no what is the difference between this and what happened then? Me Macron me say what was wrong yesterday can never be right today. On the face of truth and fact, the Ayasianye and Rano can never be right today. It is a Sir Rambo style. Because a bedroom baby no, it is said the MPP the time when Kufuado ye and the time air cost 1 year can was BNF. On say the NDC for the same thing, and we are speaking, but the woman person police brutality is because Yoko Kochi Obisu I say I Rambo star no manoma ye can once and bonti. So when the NDC goes to opposition, not similar things are happening. You don't expect us to speak for you. Entienne yenhwe na se yebesesa kwaya ye faso eye normal institutions no we must do it immediately. I'm not against the arrest and I wouldn't be against it because it was accountability koso. But the Rambo style thing no let the law work. Say nipa no court ne bubona e ho na so twe kese ne wo. That is the most important thing. Ghana de chese da ben de bia wo to aka e se mi bi bakura no akoma ye wo ya. Kwamna ebusia me ba.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira
104.5 FM.